Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change your Discord profile photo picture. To start, open the Discord app. After that, click on User Settings. After that, in the My Account section, click on Edit User Profile. Now hover your mouse over the profile photo, click on the pencil icon, and then select Change Avatar. Then in the options you see, click on Upload Image. You are going to select the new photo and click Open. You can edit the image if you wish. Click on Apply. Finally, to apply the changes, click Save Changes and you will have your new profile photo in Discord. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.